welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you love anything fashion, makeup, hair, and lifestyle videos. My name is Paige and welcome to my channel. Guys, I'm super excited because if you can't tell already, I have a Burberry unboxing and slash haul for you guys. I've been so in love with the brand and I have been so fashion forward and inspired lately. I've collected a few pieces and I have a new item here that I'm super excited about, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and open that one first, just having fun and, you know, being expressive. So I want to show you guys what I got. Alright guys, so I want to unbox the newest item that I have from Burberry, and it's in this box. It is a women's accessory and I want to go ahead and open it for you guys. I've been eyeing this one particular piece for quite some time. It actually was supposed to be like one of the things I had wanted for Mother's Day, but it was sold out. I've tried all different sites, but I finally was able to get this one. And they only said they had a few left, so I had to hop on it. This is from Saks, and it comes with all this wrapping and literally no packaging. This is the item. I know, right? It's in here, so let's open it up. And Saks, I think Saks does a pretty mediocre job at wrapping and packing things, but yay, comes with plastic. I have this Burberry striped logo silk scarf. This is the small one. I really just wanted a silk scarf to wear as like a headband or like a neck scarf or just even on a handbag. Oh, it is pretty small, but to be expected. It looks like that. So super cute. I love the color pattern. I love the stripe. Classic plaid has Burberry on it. In a circle, and they also have a large one. Now this one was $170. The large one is like $490, I think. Yeah, I could tie it in like one little knot. It's like a little cute scarf. Hey, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. Now, the other thing that I did get for Mother's Day, ironically, was the fragrance Her by Burberry. None other, right? So totally on a Burberry craze. This is the 3.4 ounce Eau de Parfum, and it came in a gift set, and it also came with the lotion. I love the scent. It is to me more of a warm summer scent or a night summer scent. This smells like what London, England would smell like if I could put a smell to it, or just one of their beautiful boutiques. It's just so, it's smooth, it's warm, it's sexy, and it's sultry at the same time. Like I said, Burberry was definitely on my list for Mother's Day, so I was really happy when I found out I was getting the fragrance. Okay, so what's in this box? Next, I want to show you this next item. This is actually for Pia, my daughter, and I actually saw these shoes and fell in love with them right away, but was so like torn on what size to get her, and I actually exchanged about 2 times before I ended up landing a size. But these are Brewster checkered sandal that has Velcro on the back ankle here. Very, very, very well made, super sturdy, which is what my daughter needs because she tears up all her shoes. But I ended up getting them in a size 9.5. And then when I put her foot in, I saw that she was on her way out of them. And so I said, well, I don't want to get her a 10.5 because then that's just one summer. So I ended up going back and getting her a 13.5. So she will be able to wear them next summer. And I plan on taking a family vacation or a family trip somewhere to like Florida or California, somewhere really nice. I would want to take her and we would definitely wear these. So yeah, I got her these sandals. And they were pricey, but like I said, I got them on Nordstroms.com. And I had Nordy points. A wish list item of mine for her is a bathing suit or a cute little set from Burberry so that she can wear her cute little sandals. Okay guys, and the last item that I got is in this cute little bag. Now this I did order from Burberry.com. It was actually ordered around the same time I ordered Pia's shoes because we were set to have a vacation, but we ended up not going on vacation. But this is for me. And Burberry did package this, comes in this cute little bag, also has tissue paper, Burberry t-shirt. Just a plain white tee, says Burberry London, England on it. It's, you know, a standard little t-shirt. I couldn't find the one that just had like Burberry or England London just across the chest. I was gonna get this top from Nordstrom's and use more Nordy points, but they didn't have my size, and it was really close to the time where we were gonna take the vacation, so I just ended up going to Burberry.com and just ordering it myself. But yeah, guys, those are my little Burberry items. I'm super excited to wear our stuff, so whenever we go somewhere super cool and like out of town, I definitely plan to pack and wear our Burberry. And I have another wish list item. I am so eyeing this bucket hat from Burberry, this one right here. I love it. I was eyeing this one and one from Prada. I do want some boots from Prada, but I really kind of want this Burberry hat, and I know Prada has a bucket hat similar to it, but my heart is still so set on Burberry, so I'm definitely gonna get the Burberry hat. I think it's well overdue that I treat myself. I've been working really, really hard. So hard that I don't even get that much time to come on and film for you guys and upload and all that stuff. So I think once I catch it in stock, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it, because every time I find it, it's either out of stock or it's set for pre-order. So I really, really, really want this bucket hat, and I think it'll be so cute with like this shirt, some cute like faux leather pants, and like a cute strappy sandal, or a cute like boot or something, depending on what season I wear this stuff in. But yeah, so I just wanted to show and share you guys what I recently got from Burberry. I've always loved the brand, but I think it took me to get a little older to actually appreciate the brand and really, really love it. Yeah, hopefully one day I get to visit London, England, because I know it's a beautiful, beautiful country, and I just can't wait. So yeah, that's gonna have to wrap it up for this video, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys have some Burberry pieces that you're eyeing. So yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.